Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing an all pink look. That's like including a bunch of pink products, packaging, products on the face, everywhere. And the main star of the show is the ColourPop Malibu Barbie palette. Super cute. What inspired this video is definitely my nails that were sent to me from Glamnetic. So I'm going to have a link to them down below. You can use code Stephanie15 for 15% off. Now that's not the whole website. That's certain things that are like limited edition or whatever, you can't really use that code on them. But if you want these nails, you can definitely go on the site now and pick them up. They also went ahead and sent me some like nude nails that I have been posting here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. They're just stunning. So again, I'll have the link down below. So if you want to see what products I used, what products I loved, what products I hated, of course, just keep on watching. Before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you can like the video, if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. So I'm going to get into it. I'm going to use these little clips that I got from the Tjmaxx website. These are actually from Shein. I completely forgot I did like a whole pink Shein haul here on my channel. If you want to watch that, that's going to be linked down below. But these are so cute and so useful. I was going to do a face mask, but this says that it takes 20 minutes. Honestly, I'm not about to spend 20 minutes here with a mask on. I'll probably try it out in a different video, but this is the Cooling and Refreshing Peppermint Face Mask that I found at my local Dollar Tree. Just want to show it to you guys. It's super cute. They have a bunch of different ones. As you can see, it's like 20 minutes. But yeah, we'll see, or I'll update you guys on how this works in an empties video or something. But yeah, so I did try out this product. This is the SHEGLAM Vacation Days situation. This is like for your body. This is Surf's Up Body Oil. And I did go ahead and purchase this. They just added a new collection, their like summer collection on their site, and this is part of it. I got the one in Hot Sands. It just looks so cute, and I did throw some on my chest. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to tell, but yeah, this looks so cute, and it is like pink. So I just wanted to show it to you guys in this video. How adorable is this? The only thing with that, it's like super liquidy, which I wasn't expecting. Next, we're gonna go into lip balm. We have the Sugar Lip Balm, and this is the one in Berry Sorbet. This is from the 99-cent store, and it is from Smoke and Mirrors. And it just looks so cute. Every time we would go to the 99, it would like call my name, and I would not pick it up because I have a lot of lip balms, as you guys know. But yeah, this one's just so cute. It says it's jojoba oil infused, and it's supposed to nourish your lips, and my lips are so dry. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of this on. So there's a close-up look at the lip balm. How cute is this packaging? Oh, it's like I'm just gonna use what came out already. Oh, okay, it looks pink when it's coming out of the tube, but it's like clear. We're gonna go in with a find that I got from Tjmaxx yesterday. This is the Too Faced Ultra Slim Brow Pencil, and I just thought this was so cute. It was meant to be. This is my shade. This one here is in soft black, and it did retail for $8.99 at Tjmaxx. How cute is this brow pencil? And it's pink. It just goes perfectly with today's video. It does come with a spoolie on the end, and then we get the ultra slim brow pencil, and it doesn't look like it was used at all or swatched. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, but look at how thin that pencil is. Right, now that we got the initial outline, I'm going to go ahead and take this product. This is from Tjmaxx, and this is their micro brow pen. Actually, I haven't used this in a while since I hauled it. This one here is in soft black. It goes perfectly with that Too Faced product, and it looks like my LA Colors brow pen as well. I don't remember much about this product, so hopefully it's like good. Oh, it's like really pigmented. Oh my god. Oh, it did not come to play. I'm not gonna take it too like into the brow because it's like really dark and pigmented. I'm actually gonna clean up my brows using the City Color Full Coverage Flawless Concealer. This one here is in the shade Medium 2. And of course I chose it because it has that pink font. Super cute. Now this is a little light, so my upper lids are going to look light, but I do want to start off with eyeshadow for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up the brows with this product. So I was looking through my drawers, and I was trying to figure out what palette is going to sum up this video, this pink, all pink video. Okay, so before I get into the palette, I did choose a couple of like extra kind of things that we're going to use. We have the Italia Deluxe Miss Metal Glitter Shock Liquid Shadow. I did buy another one of these. I do have one in my project pan, but it's more of an orangey kind of moment. This one is pink, and this one here is in the shade Peekaboo, and it's so cute, super metallic, adorable. I love this packaging. And then when we do liner, I'm going to go ahead and go over top with the Awa Studio Eyes on Me Vivid Liquid Liner in this beautiful pink kind of moment. And this one here is in Lovebirds. The eyeshadow that I think would go really great with today's video was this Barbie palette from ColourPop. I literally hauled this in a video a long time ago. It was like a birthday haul or something. And my boyfriend did purchase this for me. He did like a whole like ColourPop haul for me, which is really sweet. I do have that video up on my channel, so it's going to be linked down below. And I just never used it. So this is the ColourPop Barbie palette. I just like every time I would reach for it, I just wanted to use the pink shades in here, and it just never went with my looks. So today this is like specifically the best palette that I could use. It comes with 3 pink shades, and then we can use some other shades to like build up the crease and stuff. There is a close-up look at this palette. How cute is that? And it does come with a mirror as well. I believe this palette is still available on ColourPop's website. I don't know, I'll have a link down below if it is, but it's just so cute. I'm gonna go into the shade Boardwalk. It just looks so nice and perfect for like building up the crease, so that's what we're gonna do. And again, this does come with a mirror. Oh, these are like super powdery. I'm just blending out that Boardwalk shade. How stunning is that? These are so pigmented. I haven't used ColourPop shadows in a while, and yeah, I have to say these are extremely powdery but really pigmented and blendable. Right, next taking that bright pink matte shade in the shade Best Coast. I'm gonna go ahead and start building that up on the outer corner. Oh, this is so beautiful and pastel looking. I love just going back and forth in the like socket of the eye here. Just like blends out so nicely to like the shape of my eye and this like little crease here. Just went over top with that last shade that we used and kind of blended everything out. Then I'm going to take the shade Follow the Sun, which is that dark pink shimmer shade here, my brush, and I'm just going to build that up on the lid. Oh, it just goes on so much better with the finger. So pretty. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the Italia Deluxe shadow on my finger and kind of tap over top just to see if I can add some more like glimmer. Look at how pretty that shade is. And I did go over top now that everything's like blended out, just so like I don't have to blend out this shade too much because it's gonna get everywhere. I'm just adding some more of that matte pink on the outer corner here. Alright, next for liquid liner, I'm going to use the Ioni Everlasting Eyelash Glue Pen. I just like using this as a regular eyeliner moment. And then I'm going to go over top with the Awa Studio Eyes on Me liquid liner that I showed you guys earlier in this like pastel pink. Alright, so there is the liner. Next, I'm going to take this. Alright, now that that's on, I'm going to go ahead and take the SHEGLAM Max Impact Mascara. I've had this for a while, I just never really use it. There is talking in the background. It is what it is. So I'm going to take this mascara. It's super cute. It is pink. They came out with a bunch of different colors in these mascaras on their website. And this is just the one that called out to me. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. For eyelashes, I thought I'd throw on some of the Beauty Creations eyelashes. These are in the style Chill. These are in my collection, so I thought how cute. They are pink. This is part of their 3D Silk Lashes line. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on. These are like super extra looking, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and throw these on and we'll see how they look. And then we'll come back and finish up the face products. All right, lashes are on. I'm going to go ahead and take some of this product, and this is their makeup primer. This is from Romantic Beauty, and this has a Gold Star Silky Gold foil inside. So adorable. I did find this at my local Q Bargain. So this is just going to give us a little bit of hydration. And I also have this product, which is the e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. Also super cute and pink. There's like glitters in there. Are these gold flakes? but they do disappear once you like kind of blend it into the skin. So pretty, and it just gives you a nice kind of natural glow. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. primer, and this one is more silicone-y. So I'm going to throw that in the inner portions. Again, I do like to be matte in my T-zone area because I do have oily skin. So I'm just going to blend that in. Next, I'm going to take the BB cream from City Color. I did a whole like City Color roundup video where I took everything from City Color in my collection and I just reviewed it for you guys, speed review style. That's going to be linked down below. However, I completely forgot that this is City Color. I did purchase this at Dollar Tree and I just like, it blew, like I completely forgot. But this should have been in that video, I just forgot. But this is really good. Again, from the Dollar Tree, and this is their BB cream in the shade Sand. And it does look like gray on the skin when you first apply it, but it blends out to like your skin tone, trust me. I was scared at first, I was like, what? But it actually blends out really nicely. This is not a foundation, so it's not gonna give a lot of coverage, but it gives you like a nice light coverage, which maybe I should have gone with full coverage since we're going glam on the eyes, but whatever. I had pink packaging, so I just went with it. Oh, but you know what? We have the Beauty Creations powder pressed foundation, so that should help. It's just so nice and it evens out the skin tone as well. It's just so good for $1. Yes. All right, next we have cream products. I have the Simpsons Revolution liquid bronzer. Not sure the actual like name of this color. I think this is the only one that came out in this collection, but it does have pink packaging. It looks really cute. The actual bronzer is kind of shimmery, but whatever. Take some on my brush and I like to just stipple it in. Next, I'm taking the Metamorphosis Dazzle Liquid Blush in the shade Cotton Candy. This looks so cute. I know they just switched up their packaging and everything, and they added like a little cow on it or something. So cute, but I already have it. So this one here is in, again, Cotton Candy, and it's pink. I love the little doe foot applicator that comes with it. And I just like doing 3 dots on the cheeks. Look at how pretty this blends out. So nice, love them. For a highlight, I'm going to take the LA Colors Glow Stick, and this is my favorite one. There's like a golden one that I just used in a recent video. It was the full face of LA Colors, and today we're using the one in Poppin'. And these were available at Dollar Tree. Not sure if there still are. I haven't seen them myself, but this is just so stunning. It is like a stick kind of highlight. And I like just throwing it on like so. It's just so nice and wet. I don't put it to any like particular area, I just kind of throw it on. It just gives you like that wet kind of moment. It's so nice, and it has like a hint of pink to it. So pretty. Again, this is the shade Poppin'. I completely forgot. I knew it. I was looking and I was like, I'm gonna forget something for eyes. I already know it, of course. I keep forgetting to use this product from Ioni. So this is their sparkle liner in the shade Pink Gold. I just keep forgetting to use it. So I'm gonna go back with the City Color concealer. I'm gonna throw some of that on the under eyes. All right, next I have the pressed powder from Beauty Creations, and this is their pressed foundation powder. They came out with, oh gosh, like a year ago or 2 years ago. This one here is an FSP 11.0. I did go ahead and repress this because it did break on me, but this is such a good color. Comes with a compact mirror, stunning. Again, this is what's gonna give us more coverage to the skin. So I'm gonna take some with my sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set this concealer, but this concealer is so light compared to the foundation, it's gonna look yellow. I'm also taking that same powder on my T-zone area. I'm telling you, this powder foundation is so good. I definitely haven't used it in a while, but it works out so well with like a light coverage kind of foundation moment. And it just gives you coverage. It looks stunning. It doesn't do the best things for my oily skin, but it just looks so good right now. We're going to do a little bit of a bronzer kind of moment. We're going to take the Metamorphosis Tulipa Rue face palette, and this is just so cute. It comes with so many bronzer tones in here. So nice. So we're going to take this shade here. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and take my Beauty Creations blush in the shade Vibin' With You. This is a newer find from their site, and these are actually newer products, and this color is stunning. So I'm going to go ahead and use this on the face, and it's so nice and buildable and perfect for today's video. Also comes again with a mirror, which is so convenient. And this is such a stunning color. How pretty is that? Next, I also have the Pure and Barbie highlighter that I found a long time ago at my local, I think it was like Marshall's or something. This one here is in Confident Glow. Super cute. Hope you guys could see that. Look at how cute this is, and it goes so well with the palette. It also comes with a mirror, which is super convenient. So I'm going to take a little bit of that on the inner corner. And then taking some on the face. It's so cute. Look at that. I also have this liner. This is from SHEGLAM, and this is their Color Crush liner in, not sure what shade this is, but looks like this. And taking that same pink shade that we use on the upper lid, I'm gonna take it down here. I did go ahead and fill in the brows a little more. I also threw mascara on the lower lashes. Lastly, for the eyebrows, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Clear mascara situation just to set them down. And again, it has that pink cap. They're cute. Let's go ahead and go on to lips. I have the Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Scorpio. Again, that pink packaging, but the shade is so good. Next, I'm going to take the LA Colors Velvet Plush Creamy Lip Color in the shade Luxurious. These are so good. I just haven't really used this shade here. Look at how beautiful that combo is. Lastly, for gloss, I'm going to take the Betsey Johnson Love Betsy Lip Gloss in the shade Flirt. And this did come in a set of 3. This is stunning, and I don't think I've used it on camera before. And it does have like a pink kind of reflect to it, or like rose gold. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and take my little situation from SHEGLAM. This was also part of that pink haul that I did a couple months ago, and I threw in some of my favorite setting spray from Hard Candy. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this on, and we'll end it. Such a nice sprayer. I like to just go back with my sponge and kind of go over everything. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. That was the look using the ColourPop Malibu Barbie palette. So cute. If you do a pink, like an all pink kind of video, definitely let me know down below so I could watch it. But it was definitely inspired by the nails, as I mentioned in the intro. These are so cute. I'll have a link to them down below. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen, as well as my TikTok. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end. So then choose to go ahead and follow me there, and it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to get this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.